The story begins with a simple but powerful moment: Elon Musk sleeping on the factory floor during a shift change. That small gesture spoke volumes to his team. It showed commitment, grit, and a sense of unity. Seeing their leaders share the same hardships pushed everyone to give their best. That moment perfectly encapsulates what Tesla stands for: small signals that create massive ripples. From the company's culture to its marketing strategy, Tesla knows that even the tiniest hint can shift expectations worldwide. And recently, another such signal has sparked intense debate. Mysterious teaser that may have just confirmed the long-awaited Tesla Model 2. Tesla has always operated differently. Instead of conventional advertising or predictable launches, it thrives on mystery. A single cryptic tweet or 9-second clip can shake the entire automotive industry. And that's exactly what happened last Sunday. Out of nowhere, Tesla released a short teaser, just 9 seconds long. It showed a rapidly spinning object, maybe a wheel, a rotor, or even a fan. No text, no narration. It's just a date, 10/7. That was enough to send fans and analysts into a frenzy. What was Tesla hinting at this time? Some thought it was another hardware announcement, perhaps related to Tesla's Dojo AI supercomputer or GPU cooling systems. Others speculated it was something from Tesla Energy or even the long-rumored flying vehicle project. But for many, one theory stood out. This teaser might be about the elusive Tesla Model 2, the company's first truly affordable electric vehicle designed for mass adoption, inside Tesla's internal development circles. A project codenamed E41 has been whispered about for months. It's believed to be the code name for the Model 2, a smaller, cheaper, and even more efficient sibling of the Model Y over the past few weeks. Several compact camouflaged vehicles have been spotted around Tesla's facilities. At first, no one could confirm their identity. But last Friday, one was caught on camera with minimal disguise, showing what looked like a fresh new design language for Tesla's next-generation compact. That moment added fuel to an already burning fire of speculation. The timing of this teaser made everything even more intriguing. The U.S. government's $7,500 federal EV tax credit had officially expired on September 30th. That policy had been a key incentive keeping Tesla's vehicle prices competitive. Without it, many analysts predicted a potential slowdown in sales. But Tesla isn't known for letting momentum fade. If there was ever a moment to introduce a lower-cost model, this was it. A smaller, cheaper Tesla could fill the gap perfectly, appealing to customers who wanted to go electric but found the Model 3 or Y still out of reach. This wasn't just a business move, it was a statement of intent. Elon Musk had been teasing a $25,000 Tesla for years, calling it the future of transportation and the key to achieving true EV mass adoption. If the Model 2 was finally ready, it would mark a major milestone not just for Tesla, but for the entire auto industry. Still, being Tesla, things are never that straightforward. The internet quickly exploded with wild theories. Some claimed the teaser showed a turbine fan from a next-gen Tesla cooling system. Others speculated it was a rotor from a vertical takeoff. Flying car, a concept that has long hovered on the edges of Musk's ambitious portfolio. There were even suggestions that Tesla's AI assistant Grok had dropped hints in its prediction feed, fueling conspiracy-style excitement online. To add to the mystery, Tesla had just hosted a private group of tech influencers at Gigacasting. None of them could reveal what they saw, but their cryptic posts hinted that something big was brewing. When the countdown to October 7th finally ended, Tesla didn't unveil a new vehicle outright. Instead, it quietly updated its online design. Studio with two new variants, the Model 3 Standard and the Model Y Standard. These weren't entirely new cars, but their arrival carried a deeper meaning. For seasoned Tesla watchers, this move wasn't random. It was a calculated step, a signal that Tesla was strategically repositioning its lineup to make room for the Model 2. The standard versions were leaner, simpler, and more affordable. In essence, they were the bridge between Tesla's existing lineup and its future generation of budget-friendly models. Let's take the Model Y Standard as an example. Priced at $39,990, It undercuts the rest of the Y family by thousands. But despite the lower price, it retains the soul of a Tesla sleek design, advanced software, and solid performance. Deliveries for this model are expected to begin between November and December. The new Model Y features subtle but meaningful updates. Its exterior design has been slightly reworked with a cleaner front fascia that improves aerodynamics. The alloy wheels have been reshaped to enhance efficiency, while the body lines appear tighter and more refined, hinting at Tesla's ongoing mission to simplify manufacturing. Inside, Tesla has stripped away unnecessary luxuries while keeping the essentials intact. The cabin now features a combination of vegan leather and soft-touch fabric upholstery. Gone are the powered seat and mirror adjustments, replaced by manual controls to cut costs and weight. The 15.4-inch central touchscreen remains, acting as the main command center for everything from climate control to entertainment. However, the audio system has been simplified to a 7-speaker setup, compared to the 15-speaker premium system found in higher trims. Performance-wise, this version of the Model Y is modest but efficient. It's powered by a 69 kilowatt-hours battery pack that offers a range of around 321 miles. On a single charge, more than enough for daily driving. The 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time sits at about 6.8 seconds, not blistering, but respectable for a base model EV. Tesla has also improved sound insulation with new dual-pane windows. It's making the cabin noticeably quieter. Every element of this update feels intentional. It's Tesla testing and perfecting the formula for affordability, a process that will directly inform how the Model 2 is built. The focus is clear: simplify manufacturing, lower costs, and expand access without compromising Tesla's brand identity. The new models act as real-world experiments, fine-tuning the processes that will soon drive the company's most important release yet. This is what makes the Model T such a pivotal project. For Tesla to truly achieve its mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy, it needs to reach the masses.
Yes.
The Model 2 isn't just another car, it's the key. 2. Unlocking a global audience that has admired Tesla from afar, but couldn't afford to join the movement. The company's success has always hinged on scalability. It's from the Roadster to the Model S, then Model 3, and now Model Y. Every generation has brought costs down while improving performance. But the next leap, scaling EVs to true mass-market affordability, is the hardest yet. That's why every clue, every teaser, and every internal code name matters. They hint at how close Tesla is to cracking that code. Tesla's recent actions all point toward one direction: readiness. Factories like Giga Shanghai and Giga Mexico have been optimized for next-generation manufacturing. The company has invested heavily in automation, Gigacasting, and simplified assembly lines capable of producing a car body every 30 seconds. The lessons from those systems will directly feed into Model 2 production, allowing Tesla to build it faster, cheaper, and with fewer parts than any competitor. The Model 2 is expected to be Tesla's first vehicle built on its next-gen platform. A fully redesigned structure that supports both front and rear gigacastings and integrates the battery pack as a structural component. This approach reduces material use, increases rigidity, and cuts assembly time dramatically. Combined with new advancements in battery technology, possibly even aluminum-ion or next-gen, 4,680 cells, the Model 2 could deliver more range at lower cost than anything in its class. If Tesla can price the Model 2 around the long-promised $25,000 mark, it would change the entire EV landscape. No other company would be able to compete on cost, performance, and software integration at that level. The ripple effects would be enormous, from forcing traditional automakers to rethink their strategies to accelerating the retirement of combustion vehicles worldwide. Yet, as with all things Tesla, the real genius lies not in one product but in the ecosystem it creates. The Model 2 will likely connect seamlessly with Tesla's energy products, Powerwall, solar roof, and supercharger network, turning every owner into part of a larger, sustainable energy grid. It's not just about selling cars anymore. It's about creating a closed-loop system where mobility, power, and are fully integrated. That's why even a 9-second teaser matters. It's Tesla's way of signaling progress without saying a word, a masterclass in minimalism and marketing psychology. It sparks curiosity, fuels speculation, keeps the world's attention laser-focused on the next chapter of its evolution. For fans, analysts, and investors alike, the question isn't just if the Model 2 is coming, it's when. Every move Tesla makes seems to suggest that the countdown has already begun. From Gigacasting hosting private tours to new standard models being introduced right after the tax credit expired, the pattern is undeniable. Tesla is preparing the stage for something much bigger, and when it finally arrives, it won't just be another car launch. It will represent a turning point in how we think about technology, affordability, and sustainable mobility. The Model 2 will symbolize a future where electric vehicles aren't just aspirational, they're accessible to everyone. So did that.